Are you having problems with Adobe not locating the DVA Core Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. While we cover the technical fix for DVA Core Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the DVA Core Library, the Digital Video Applications DVA Core Library. This is the foundational localized execution engine for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. It manages localized memory addressing for high-resolution video frames and facilitates the localized orchestration of the cross-application localized Adobe Dynamic Link. Failure results in a fatal DVA Core Initialization crash. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Adobe installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Adobe is the fastest way to restore DVA Core Library DLL and get the program running again. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including DVA Core Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for DVA Core Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for DVA Core Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on DVA Core Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.